Ciao picciotte e picciotti! Greetings from Sicily! Gianca, come with me, please!
Good morning everyone!
This is a surprise for you! This morning we wake up and we decide to
stop working,
to have a break
and enjoy a beautiful day in one of the most outstanding coastlines in Sicily. We are in the area of Scopello, and Scopello is in the province of Trapani. Actually, it's between Palermo and Trapani. But this is gorgeous. This is one of the most popular areas of Sicily, and we are now in front of the beach of Guidaloca, in
one of the most beautiful beaches that we have in Sicily.
Yeah, and in few minutes we will go to the courtyard of Scopello. Scopello is a small village.
Really small village.
Sorry for the noise. There are some scooters.
It's Saturday, and so a lot of people are enjoying the beach, the summertime.
So Scopello is famous for at least a couple of reasons. For the beautiful bayou. Bayou is a small courtyard. It's a medieval courtyard. And for the tuna fishing station. So we will talk about this location later. There are many reasons to visit this area. So it's one of the most popular places in Sicily for the Sicilians. But in the last few years, it became very popular also for the Italian, for the tourists. Sorry, guys. Young people, kids with scooters.
New generation.
So they became so popular because of the Inspector Montalbano TV series, and thanks to the Ocean 12 with George Clooney, Brad Pitt. One of the most important scenes has been filmed in Scopello tuna fishing station. So we will see you again in few minutes from the bayou first, and then from the tuna fishing station. And now I want to
show again the beautiful
I want to give you the opportunity to enjoy this beautiful part of Sicily. So again, we are in Scopello, Guidaloca beach. As you can see, guys, people are enjoying the beach.
And the water is so pristine. I can't wait
and
to...
so calm and so safe. So this is not the ocean. Don't forget it. We have no ocean. We have the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. So you can enjoy the beach in the safest way possible. You can enjoy snorkeling. You can swim
or you can take the
without stress.
Yeah.
No jellyfish right now. No dangerous fishes. So we are in Sicily, and we hope you enjoy this paradise one day.
See you in few minutes. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.